She did a nice job Saturday in the lesson. A couple quick little looks for you. First is the position we worked on in the first lesson, which was getting the club outside of our body, getting rotated back with the shoulders. You can see the position over here on the left is much better. That club gets matching with our spine pretty darn good. And the hands stay outside of our body, which is exactly what we want. You can see over here on the right, which is before we did some of the swing work, how the club whips to the inside really fast and kind of getting crunched there with the spine as well. And then as we work up into the top of the backswing, it's a little steep. We're going to work on making just a little bit more of a shoulder rotation there, but really it's pretty good. We started to see the ball coming off there pretty good towards the end of the lesson. And what I wanted you to focus on was getting that club so it stayed in front of our body line and didn't get back behind us too much. You can see as I draw this line from club shaft down to the ground how far back behind your heels it is. And then over here we can see that the club shaft stays out in front of our body just a little bit more. And that's just going to make it easier for you to transition down, not have to use so many moving parts to get that golf club back in front of you. It can just drop back down to the golf ball. So I've attached a drill on here. It's not going to be the exact drill that we did, but I want you to do it anyways. It's going to help you set your wrists at the top and really promote this position of keeping the golf club in front of you in the backswing. So excellent work, and looking forward to more good progress coming up in the future.
This is the takeaway drill, and what this drill is designed to do is to help you take the club back away outside of the hands rather than pulling inside. So as I play this drill forward, you're going to see we go ahead and we start by sliding the right hand down the shaft. We're going to pick the club up so it's parallel to the ground, right about there. Now, and what I've done there is I've set my left wrist. You can see how that left wrist is nice and bent, and I've created that angle in the wrists that we want to see. Now moving forward, I'm going to slide the right hand back over the top of the left hand, keeping that nice wrist set angle. Now from this position, I'm just going to rotate my shoulders back, and you're going to see how that club head moves back outside of the hands on the way back. And as I start going up, you can see how that club works straight up and never passes the hands. Go ahead and take it up. Just like that. Now, one thing that we want to notice, and you can see me doing here in the drill, is we want to make sure that that club head gets right there and doesn't go to the outside part of the hands. That's the key for this drill. This is going to help you keep the club shaft on plane a little bit better going back, and definitely get you in a better place to transition down in the golf swing.